Anything that can be created can be moved or reshaped or changed in other ways. To change the shape of a block, click on the Edit icon from the top toolbar. Next to the Edit icon will appear two options of editing: Block Edit and Stitch Edit. Stitch Edit allows you to edit a design one stitch at a time. You can move, add, or delete stitches in this manner. Block Edit is primarily for editing designs you are creating or have created in Embroidery Studio. Block Edit is the default mode for edit. You can click on any object to alter how it sews. Click and drag any point or line of the shape to reshape the object. You can change what type of points make up the shape by clicking and holding the mouse button down. The point will change from a curve to a corner. To shift the whole outline, simply click the four-way arrow that appears in the middle of the block and drag it to the desired spot. If the block has a hole in it, you can reshape, move, or even delete the hole. To delete the hole, click on one of the points of the hole, right-click, and click on Delete Outline. You can also change where each object starts and finishes sewing. The start and end point markers can be moved by simply clicking on them and dragging them to the desired spot. This can aid in sewing efficiency by having sections connect at the closest point possible. You can also change the stitch direction or inclination of a normal filled outline. Just click and drag the inclination line to the desired angle. If you have trouble selecting just the start or end point or either the inclination line without grabbing the outline of an object, you can click on the editing mode from the top toolbar and select the item you want to edit from the drop-down menu. This will allow you to move it without getting the outline. To see the changes you make take effect, click on Stitch It. Embroidery Studio will regenerate the stitches in the object to reflect the changes you make. In Outline Edit, you can change the embroidery settings of any object. Just select the object you want to change, then right-click and click on Embroidery Settings. From the Embroidery Settings window, you can change the density, the underlay, pull compensation, and other values that are particular to the tool you have selected. For a complete description of these settings, see the Embroidery Settings portion of this CD or consult your user's manual. You can use the object list to help you select a block for editing. While you can't reorder the object list from the Edit menu, it can assist you in selecting the exact object you want to edit. While in edit mode, you can change the color of any block. Simply select the object you want to change, and then click on the Colors button on the top toolbar and use the color mixer to choose your color. To do this, pick the color from the palette on the left side and then the proper shade on the right side. Then click OK. The object will change to the new color.